Step into the 2016 Ford Edge. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including a trip computer, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, power front seats, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.